What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV. I've been doing a ton of work on my website today, and I just wanted to show you guys. I've got drone kits on here now. You can get a full kit, a full digital marmot kit, a full budget build, Apex kits, even analog drone kits on here for cheap as fuck. 420 bucks, man. That's cheap for a good quality drone. All the goods are here. It's going to include a frame with a lifetime warranty, VTX in a metal box, two Singularity antennas. These are the upgrades from True RC. All the good shit, man. Motors have got titanium shafts. I love these T motors. Been beating the fuck out of them and loving every second of it. Kevlar straps, a Vi-Fly buzzer. Even got all the 3D prints you need. You just pick the color and tell me what camera you got, and I got you good to go. Everything you need in one easy kit at flyhighfpv.com.